Hazrat Nafi states, when Hajjaj bin Yusuf had gone to combat Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair in Yazid's favor, Abdullah bin Abdullah and Salim bin Abdullah, sons of Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu, submitted to Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu. There will be no harm if you do not go to perform Hajj this year, as we fear that a war will break out among the Muslims, which will intervene between you and the house. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, if the war intervenes between me and Hajj, I will do the same what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did. In the year of Hudaybiyah, I was along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam when the pagan of the Quraysh intervened between Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Allah's house. I hold you a witness that I have made intention for Umrah. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu proceeded until he reached Zul Hulayfa. He pronounced Talbiyah for Umrah and then said, if my way remains clear, I will complete the Umrah. But if there is any intervention between me and Allah's house, I will do what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did, and I was then along with him. He then recited this verse, undoubtedly you have the best in the following of Allah's Apostle. Surah Ahzab, verse 21. He then set out, and when he reached Zahril Baida, he said, the ruling of Hajj and Umrah is the same. If there is any intervention between me and Umrah, there will be an intervention between me and Hajj. I hold you a witness that I have intended Hajj along with Umrah. He then reached Qudayd and bought a sacrificial animal from there. He then performed one circumambulation of Allah's house for both of them and marched between Safa and Marwa. And he did not exit ihram of the Umrah until he took off the ihram of the Hajj on the day of sacrifice, 10th of Zulhajj. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2980.